Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Dogecoin update. And Doge is very strong. I've been noticing Doge at the moment, and I do think that Dogecoin is not ready to go down. We're making a very good progress with Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is impressive. And I think, what can I say? It's really nice to see Dogecoin doing whatever it's doing. So the plan is to continue to push a little bit higher, and it's almost as if, like, on the daily time frame, we had a bull flag here. So if you look at this bull flag right over there, we made that flag and we're breaking above that flag at the moment. And if we go with the old study of the bull flag, then we could be looking at top to bottom, and the technical target for that bull flag actually takes Dogecoin to 0.88. So I think that if Dogecoin doesn't stop and wants to go to 0.88 or 0.89, that would be really amazing. And then from there, try to retrace down a little bit to retest the all-time high, the previous all-time high of 73 cents, and start your whole journey to go to the upside. Now, sometimes I think that the long-term targets, and by the way, I'm gonna I do have a video for you at the end of this video on how to have an exit plan for the bull run. I've made a 30 minutes video especially for you guys. And no one is going to teach you this this exit strategy. This is something that took me years to learn, and I've broken it down to the simplest explanation possible for you guys to have amazing exit out of the market. And now we could be looking at this one huge, rounded, curve here. And I think that if this is the plan and we take the top to bottom of that, then this can actually give us the next technical target in the future. And it actually does point that we could be looking at $9.99 for one Dogecoin. And it actually comes up to that nearly $10 department mark as your top. You never know. And it's possible for Dogecoin to go to $9 even. I think it's a very possible target during the bull run. Right, so going back here, I've talked about the daily and the daily breaking and going to $0.89. So what is happening in 4-hour time frame? Well, again, we're doing pretty good. Previously, we've had stop losses down at 0.3, and your stop loss as you pump is always going to come high as well. So the higher you go, your stop losses are going to follow to the upside. And right now, I'm just going to remove this line, and also going to remove the flag here and talk about the 1-hour time frame a little bit, because the 1-hour time frame looks very interesting. So here it is, and right now you have inverse head and shoulder, very clear inverse head and shoulders, which is a bullish pattern, and you've broken above it. You're retesting the things. You're doing amazingly well. So you're breaking above it. Here's your inverse head and shoulder. As you can see, if I do take I think it's right over here. Yeah, we got it. So this is your left shoulder, just like that, the head, and this is your right shoulder, just like that, right? So this is a whole pattern that has been created. And if you go from top to bottom of this pattern, you are looking, at least in the short term, we could be getting in 0.54, and that's the head and shoulder technical target. And the daily bull flag also pulls you up to $0.9, and then from there we start to continue a parabolic move, hopefully until next year. I'm enjoying Q4. Let me know in the comments how you are enjoying Q4, and let me know the favorite name of your coin in the comment. If you like this video, that would be amazing. It actually helps the algorithm push Doge video to more people. I don't think I'm performing very good in the channel right now, even though it's the market is really crazy, and I'm uploading these videos which are hitting as crazy that the targets are already meeting one by one, and people are not watching it at all. It's because of the lack of likes that it gets. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love is. Hey, I know you guys are scratching your head thinking, when am I going to exit the market? On Stupid Bitcoin podcast number 3, I've recorded the best video on exit strategy in the market. So click, it's right over here at the bottom of the screen, and watch that, because you deserve to exit with the best gains. And I don't want you to exit early. So watch this video ASAP if you're holding Pepe coin, Luna Classic, any altcoin, because exiting is really important. Thank me later.